How to transfer photos from phone to PS5. So you're going to have to download the PlayStation app on your phone since there isn't an official way to transfer the files from media to media. So open up your PlayStation app, use the account you're using in your PS5. Of course, they have to be the same. That way, once you open the PlayStation app, you go to the top section over here, and that should be your parties. You just go ahead and get the search browser, or basically create your own party or name, the similar. Then what you're going to have to do is just send your images or photos you want to get in your PS5. So once you do that, by opening this little photo here, just send your photo, whatever you want. It should send immediately to this party. So, well, in your PS5, just go ahead and open up your game base, and you can go to that specific party. You can name it whatever you want as well, and you can favorite it as you will. But once you open that one, you'll be able to see the photos you sent. Then just go ahead and click on that photo, and by viewing image, you can press on the share button on your controller, and it will take a screenshot. It will take it just like this over here in the top right. But once you do that, you should be able to see that actual photo in your media gallery. But that's pretty much one of the options you have for photo transfer from phone to PS5. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.